children. On the main street, we're going to be traveling along the open barricaded and through the primeval world. We do ask that you please not use any flash photography or video lighting in this next area. Thank you.
Flash photography or what?
To those joining us, welcome aboard. The next leg of our journey will take us along the rim of the Grand Canyon. It's a mighty long drop to the canyon floor. So for your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Be sure to watch your kids and no flash pictures, please. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
All the way inside the train. If you have children sitting along the open side of the car, please be sure they are keeping their feet, hands, and arms all the way inside the car. Thank you.
To the fantastic primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
Is that where you're they can sense it.
Back to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you'll be leaving us here, stay in your seat till we come to a full stop. And remember to gather all your personal belongings, including the young ones if you got it, and step carefully from the train. I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. Be sure to
please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Also, please keep in mind there are no wraps here